Hello, my dear children. Today we have abacus class. Every day you take your abacus and practice. We all know that practicing abacus will increase our concentration, thinking skill, speed, accuracy, etc. So let's start. You know that this is our abacus material. This is the abacus. This abacus has beads in it. Beads. This is the frame of the abacus. And this is the central bar. There is a bar here. And we have value points here, 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 here and here. You can see white dots here. So we start doing from the middle part. So we take this middle part. This point is the ones place. And this is the tens place. And this is the hundreds place. Like that it goes. So, beads are above this central bar and below the central bar. First, we set the abacus. Before that, I will show you how to hold the abacus. Using these 3 fingers, you can hold the abacus like this. Your forefinger, left forefinger and left middle finger will be like this. Don't touch the abacus. This should be like this. So hold the abacus like this. Now in the right hand you hold a pencil and now open your right thumb and forefinger like this. Okay, we are doing using these 4 fingers. Right thumb and forefinger, left forefinger and middle finger. Okay. Now first we set the abacus. Some beads are here, some are above like this. So first we set the abacus. We move this forefinger and thumb like this closer together. Now hold it here. Move to the end like this. Now the upper beads will go up. The bottom beads that will go down. So now the value is 0. We set the abacus to 0. Okay. These beads have values. Lower beads. Each lower bead has value 1. If we move the lower bead to this central bar, touching the central bar like this, value is 1. If we take 2 lower beads touching the central bar, this point, now the value is 2. Like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like this. And the value of upper bead is 5. Value of upper bead is 5. Now, we are going to add numbers from 1 to 9. 1 to 9. Add 1. Add 1. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 we can do in the ones place. Addition of 1 to 9 in the ones place we can do. Okay. Now, the lower beads we move the lower beads using the right thumb only. Right thumb only. Upper bead always with your right forefinger. Okay. Now adding 1. Add 1. Add 2. Add 3. Add 4. Okay. Now I will show you again. Add 1. 1 minus 1. That is less 1. Add 1. Less, you always subtract less using this forefinger. Add 1 using the thumb and less 1 using the forefinger. Add 1, less 1. Add 2, less 2. Add 3, less 3. Add 4, less 4. Okay. Now add 5. This is 5. Add 5, less 5. Add 6. 6, you take 6. 5 plus 1 is 6. You use both your fingers, thumb and right thumb and forefinger for taking the 6. 6. So add 6 is like this. Add 6, less 6. Using both fingers. Add 6, less 6. Add 7. 5, 6, 7. Add 7, less 7. Using both fingers. Add 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Take both fingers. Add 8, less 8. Add 9, less 9. Okay. Now the next number is 10. 10 is 1, 0. 0 in the ones place and 1 in the tens place. So we use the left hand forefinger for 2-digit numbers. 1, 0, 1. 1, add 1, 0. 1, 0, this is 10. This is the tens place and this is the ones place. So add 10, less 10. Add 20, 2, 0. Add 20, less 20. Add 30, less 30. Add 40, less 40. Now 50. This is value of this is 5 because it is in the tens place. The value is 50. We take this 50 using your middle finger. Add 50, less 50. Now 6 using both fingers. Add 60, less 60. Add 70, less 70. Add 80, less 80. Add 90, less 90. Okay, have you understood? Once again I will show you adding and subtracting. Add 1, less, add 1, less 1. Less using this forefinger. Add 2, less 2. Add 3, less 3. Add 4, less 4. Less using this right hand forefinger. Add 5, 5 using this finger forefinger. Add 5, less 5. Add 6 using both fingers. Add 6, less 6. Add 7, less 7. Add 8, less 8. Add 9, less 9. Now add 10, less 10. Add 20, less 20. Add 30, less 30. Add 40, less 30. Add 50, less 50. Add 60, less 60. Add 70, less 70. Add 80, less 80. Add 90, less 90. Yes. Now 100. We can take 100 from the hundreds place. This is ones, tens, hundreds. So 1, 0, 0 is 100. This is the hundreds place. 1, 0, 0. Add 100, less 100. Okay. Now children, you all should practice this. 1 to 9 and 10, 20, 30 up to 100. Add and less. This you practice this week. Okay, thank you.